Everyone, and welcome to the Weather Centre. Today is spring equinox for the southern hemisphere, and this means that the sun's rays are exactly perpendicular to the equator for today, and it also means that we have just about equal amounts of daytime and nighttime. Over the next few months, we're going to see daytime hours increasing over the southern hemisphere, while in the northern hemisphere, as they head into midwinter, we're going to see days becoming much shorter over the next 3 months. Let's take a look at our satellite loop, and yesterday there were thunder showers in the late afternoon over the northern Free State, and that moved into the Mpumalanga Highveld as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Much of those thunder showers dissipated overnight, although there were a couple of small storms earlier this morning over parts of the eastern Free State. It was fairly cloudy in places over KZN and the Lowveld, as well as a bit of fog that moved down along the west coast from Namibia. Taking a look at the rest of today, and we're expecting a thin veil of high-level cloud to move in over the Cape provinces. It's going to remain mainly sunny and dry for those areas, while we will see a couple of thunder showers developing over the eastern parts once again, where it will be a partly cloudy and warm to hot afternoon. Heritage Day weather conditions, and we're going to start off with a bit of fog along parts of the western coastline. Otherwise, a mainly sunny and dry day for the country, although we will see a couple of thunder showers popping up once again over the far eastern high ground, in particular over parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be a much warmer day for almost all of South Africa. For the rest of today, isolated thunder showers extending from around Polokwane into Gauteng, all the way through to Mbombela in Mpumalanga and down into much of the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, while the rest of South Africa will be dry except for the northern and eastern Free State. Winds this afternoon will be light to moderate across all of the country, but becoming fresh at times for East London, that northeasterly wind picking up to an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Maximum temperatures for this Wednesday, and it's going to be warm to hot for most areas. KZN sees temperatures reaching the upper 20s. Similar temperatures for parts of the Eastern Cape, and although it's a couple of degrees warmer for the Western Cape, it's still the mildest province for the day. Overnight temperatures, and no surprises for this time of the year. Temperatures in the lower to mid-teens for most areas, somewhat warmer in the Lowveld and along the eastern coastline. And we will see some places dropping into the single digits once again over the high-lying areas in the Cape provinces. Looking ahead to tomorrow afternoon, and just that small possibility for thunder showers over Limpopo and Mpumalanga, a sunny and warm day for many parts of South Africa. And on Friday, we're expecting dry weather conditions once again, temperatures increasing through the central parts, Uppington at 40 and 37 as a high for Kimberley.